Hey everyone, what's going on? Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at this red light therapy panel from Viconor. As you can see, it's got this very nice stand that it comes with, and it's a super nice big panel allowing you to get full coverage on your body. As you can see, it plugs in right there. The cable runs up the back, very nice and neat with these little clips, and that's fully adjustable. So it's got this tripod kind of mechanism. You can rotate this thing around however you like. You can put it this way if you like, and it all stays in place very nicely. And then you've got this also adjustability aspect on the height. You can, of course, rotate the whole thing. Then you've got the switch here, simple on and off switch. This thing does get a little warm, which is nice. That way you know it's working. And I just highly recommend Viconor. Very nice brand. I've gotten several of their red light products before. This one is no different. Super nice, super high quality, and it gets the job done. As you could tell, you can even move this up and down. So you really get a whole bunch of adjustability aspects. Overall, I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching.